we're going to get her prepared to go inside the room, COVID-19, and we want to make sure she's fully garbed up. The first pair go all the way up, so that way her skin is not exposed. Then we'll put the gown on to make sure everything's covered up. Then we're going to put on another set of gloves, and we're going to put another surgical mask on just to be on the safe side. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So every time we enter in the COVID room, you always have a trained observer, which is myself, and just to make sure they're doing everything properly, wiping everything down, make sure they're not forgetting anything, and not forgetting to take off their proper PPEs. Dealing with COVID-19, we wipe everything down. We don't leave anything dry, and that's to make sure that everybody's in a safe environment, everyone's getting the same type of treatment, go home to their family.